guys. Guys, I got something in the mail. I got a new toy. I cannot wait to unbox this. Let's see what it is. We kind of can see what it is. All right, I recently got this. I've been wanting to open this for a long time. I got this from Toocaa Nova. Thank you very, 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 very much. I've actually always wanted, it's a laser cutter, and I've been looking at these for a long time. And when they offered, it's like, would you like to give this a try? And I'm like, yeah. So, oh my. So let's try to open this without dumping it everywhere, right? This is exciting. I think I have just the place for it. So let's put it over there. All right, I have this space over here. This is part of my workbench. Over there is a 3D printer that doesn't like me at all. So one day I'll play with that. And we'll gently put it over here. Is this always the best part? Oh. Okay, we got the user manual. And there's some parts and pieces. Okay. So far, so good. It looks like there's a few parts I got to put in, so hang in there. All right, I didn't show the complete setup. It only took me about 5 minutes to plug everything in. And this is completely offline on here. There's actually some built-in patterns, so I just hit one of them and let it go to see if I connected everything correctly. Looks like I did. So this is my very first test, and it turned out really pretty. There was like 6 different things you can pick from. I picked the little fish, and this is without connecting my laptop yet, so that's going to be the next steps. All right, so I did my test, made a very cool little coaster, and I did not expect it to cut. I thought I had to change out a bit or something, but it came out the cutest little thing. It smells like wood. So they were very, very kind to give me all sorts of pretty color woods and things, and I think let's see if we can get a little more creative than the default. I downloaded the studio, super easy. The only thing I had to do was update it. No biggie. Just make sure all your Wi-Fi's match up. I mean, this is very beginner friendly. So what I'm going to try to do is download something of mine. I'm going to just import, find all my millions of videos. There we go. Open. I'm going to put my logo in there. Sure. Is that the whole piece of paper? I think this orange line is the size of the board. I'm going to stick it over there. And then, let's try that. See what happens. And I'm going to put it on, let's put it on pretty blue. So I'm going to bring you over here. I'm going to show you how easy this is. So I'm going to open the box, put the thing in there. Has little line-up things here. I haven't done it on the color paper or wood. I'm going to close it. Then over here, we just hit Start Create. I'm going to go USB mode. It's connecting. Well, I discovered I have to do it on the computer. So step 2, autofocus. You can see on here, I got to hit start. Start. I have no idea how this is going to work. Sorry for all the flashing lights. For a first image, that's not bad. I mean, that's just coming from a, I didn't touch it up or anything. I just stuck it on there. Ooh. So overall, oh my goodness, this is super, super easy. I mean, I put in maybe 2 screws for assembly. Super easy. Plug in all your things. If you've set up a laptop or a computer, you can do this. And you go onto the website. It's completely free. And then start playing around with it. I have a lot to learn on here. I want to do a few things. I want to try to make a house and maybe some windows and doors and things like that. Wait. This is me from the future. I went a little crazy. So, not only did I build the little coaster and my logo, well, I also built a little house. This one was my first learning how to cut it, and a couple tries, I did it. And last but not least, the little business card holder. So this is after about a day of learning. It's pretty easy. Okay, you can go back. So I have a lot of playing to do, so you probably will see that in future. And the possibilities, whoa. I think this is fun. And thank you so, so, so much to Toocaa Nova for giving me this. And I will give you all the links in the description below if you're even remotely interested. If you've been looking into a laser cutter etcher, this I think would be baby's first etcher. Awesome. Not the learning curve is very low. So I mean, I jumped right in, and I just printed that, and I did this, which was built in. I mean, just imagine what you can do once you start learning all the tools and things like that and start playing with this, which I will definitely be doing. So, like I said, if you're interested, I'll put the link in the description below. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll create something. We'll see. Bye.